Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can export image on Gimp. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Gimp. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go ahead and click on File. You're going to find it in the top left corner. Click on File and then click on Open, or you can also click on Ctrl+O on your keyboard. So once you click on Open, you can select an image from your PC, search for it, and then go ahead and click on Open, and then click on Keep. And as you can see guys, now the image is added to Gimp. So as you can see guys, here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of the tools that you will need in order to edit the image, such as the move tool, rectangle select tool, free select tool, fuzzy select, crop, unfilled, warp, and so on. And here in the right side, you're going to find the layers, and right here, you're going to find some effects if you want to add them to the image. So for example, we're going to add a little modification to the picture. So we're going to add a color, for example. And then in order to export this image, for example, go ahead and click on File and then search for Export As. And as you can see, guys, this is the export menu. So search for where you want to export the image. So for example, I'm going to export it right here in Downloads and go ahead and click on Export. So this name already exists, so I'm going to change the name. Click on Export, and as you can see, guys, this is the menu. So from here, you can change the quality and choose the options that will suit you. And once you finish, go ahead and click on Export. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.